Okay, oh. Okay, first you're a guy who can make fire. Did he just turn into a golem or something? Got a tank that turns into, whatever that is. A bowl? A wheel, and why is there just a guy just casually walking? It's a fight. That's a jet. That's what happens to a jet, and this, yay. That guy. What? I have not even buy this. Oh, you need that. Okay, let's just get into it. A Tarrier Bowl. Where is this? What is this? Meet the Timpson. Hey dude, come closer, I need your help. You said that? Great, now it's loading again. Oops, something went wrong? What? I played this game a little bit. Sorry for what I did. Woman, take this. Quickly. Get out the PPPP and go ramen. Oh, what the fuck? And so it was in 1 minute intro. You really thought I'm gonna play that game? Fuck, gun is my jam. Yeah, I just put bread everywhere I do. You guys know that piece of toast in like the zoo? Well, they said that it was bred in captivity. Yeah, that was a just joking thing. Look at this. You see this? No. Okay, I'm going into a Russian server. Let's see what kind of cockroaches or C words are we gonna find here. I got my shotgun. Zahaha. I know like X-E means like laughing or something. I know Russian. Sorry, I did not mean to scare you. No. No. The what? Oh, you kill people, huh? You think you're shooting? Think killing people is funny, huh? No, I'm gonna kill you. What is this? CCP? CCCP. Let batu. Tuk. Hey, look, it's the guy from earlier. Fire at him. Beam. I shot him. I just perfectly hit him with this. Then he'll go sleeping. There you go. What is this saying? I cannot read Russian. I think. Let beat us! I'm hiding in the ship. You cannot find me. I'm gonna hit you down. Hello. Ah, he's hitting with me. He's hitting me with a double barrel bazooka. I'm hiding. Ouch! Wait, I forgot. Look at the back of him. He has something huge. And I'm not talking about his wiener. You killed Jack! You killed Jack Chicken, you monster! Die! Well, I'm not done with you. He's dead. It's good. Where the hell am I even more? I'm gonna hit random people. Load. Oh yeah, it's already loaded. And I'm gonna shoot them. Yeah, have you take me now, huh? Have they seen me? Parasite. Ah! Well, I'm leaving the server. Classroom. Der. Skiburtos toilarbitis. Tipis. Tipitis, pitis, pitis. No broke build. Jab. Something else. Okay, who's ready to get flipped up? And look at that. We already have a non-English on the team. What? What? You want to get a bullet or no? Who said English or Spanish? English. He's a gay. There's a gay person there. English or Spanish, whoever moves is gay. Now I'm gay. Even though I'm actually gay, I'm not actually acting like I am. The freak, what is he doing up there? He's floating, he's Jesus. Jesus, Rititas. Who's bombardiering me? Hello, Lippity Bog. Dapat. Whoever moves is not gay. Now, there you go. I heard a green goober. I heard a goober. A goober's snoober. Ah ha ha! That's not my car. I like to shoot kids. Goodbye. Darn! What the hell does he? Ouch! I turn off the map borders. Oh, everything looks weird. Mierda! Oh man, I can't do something pretty good. I'll listen to some music. Oh yeah, they're going camping. Oh yeah. Let's see the episode. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Welcome back to camping. Hey. Jumping, doodly doing. See what's in here. It's a whole lot of nothing. Oh, I have better work here. The what? Look at this building technique. to help this guy build. Hey, no killing him! Nah! You killed him, you bastard! Now I need to kill him. Ah. Okay, now the decorations. Where mama? Nope. Mr. Russian people are here. Oh, I know what Russian people do. Russian people is bad. If me see Russian person, me kill Russian person. No worries. Oh, he's a nice Russian person. I thought you were one of those mean people. Look at him, he looks so menacing. I can explain, I wasn't actually trying to kill you. We'll flip you in this. Squap! Keep doing that. We need food in here. Sandwich. A puzzi. Alla carbavita. A cuca. Is it you, Russian man? Take this. I swear it wasn't me, Russian man. Get me up here. Aritas, you son of a bastard! You Russian asshole. Why does this car have bike wheels? What is happening? Where is that Russian son of a bitch? I'm gonna kill him. Where are you? What? You killed him.